Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Binance gift card at bank rate. So I'm going to show you what to expect during this process, and I'm going to be using my money to take a risk for you guys to know what to expect doing this trade. So I'm going to go to this trust plot over here, and you need to press this website over here. As you can see here, this website has 733 review. That's excellent. And as you can see, a lot of comments over here. Mind you, this does not guarantee safety on this platform, because they can hire a lot of people to do this manually. So at least we have something to build trust upon, that okay, you have good review, then we can go back again. I'm going to minimize to my Binance. I'm going to show you what the gift card you want to buy. I'm going to come to this button over here, then come to this gift card, cancel. As you can see over here, this is the Binance gift card you want to buy. You want to buy B&B gift card. If you buy $100 worth of gift card over here, let me press amount. You will receive $100 USDT if you redeem this USDT on Binance. You will receive the same amount. So I'm just going to go back to this website. Then I'm going to create my account. I'm going to press register. After pressing register, I'm going to register over here. I've created an account on this platform. I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create your own account. I'm going to go with this button over here, menu. Then I'm going to come to this card over here, press card, because we are buying Binance gift card. So I'm going to scroll down to find Binance gift card. As you can see over here, this Binance gift card. I'm going to press this Binance gift card. Since I'm just testing this platform to see the experience, if it's possible to buy Binance gift card at the bank rate in Nigeria, I'm going to use this $5. Buying $5 of worth of USDT on Binance, then we'll be receiving $5. Then we'll be paying 2,661 naira. Then I'm going to press buy now. After pressing buy now, I need to update this billing details on my account before I can go to process order. I've entered the billing details, so I'm going to press place order. After pressing place order, I receive that I need to verify my phone number. I'm going to press here to verify my phone number. And after the page took me to this page, then I'm going to press I'm not a robot, then select 234, that's Nigeria. I'm going to press SMS and press send verification. Please check the number code you enter, country code you enter, or your phone number. I'm having problem with this verification code. Let me cancel this and try again. I was unable to verify this phone number, and I will just try to finish the video. Then if you are able to verify your number, then you will be able to place order. After you place order over here, you verify your phone number, then you'll be able to place order. Make sure you try this transaction with first transaction you want to do with $5, because you want to know maybe this is actually working or not. Because if you test this with 2,600, then it work, then you can do maybe 100,000 or 200,000. But since it's your first time of doing this strategy, then it's better for you to do a 5,000 and 2,000 something, so you can manage the risk of maybe it's going to work or it's not going to work. After you purchase this Binance USDT, they will send this Binance code, the gift card code, to your email address. Then you just need to go over to Binance. After you are able to buy this on this platform, then you come to this Binance, then you come over to this wallet, you come over to this funding. After this funding, you come over to this gift card over here. Cancel. I want to redeem my gift card. There is this button over here. It said redeem. It said redeem Binance gift card or code. Remember, they will send you a Binance gift card code on your email after you purchase this Binance gift card on the platform. Then you need to redeem this code. Then we just need to paste the redemption code over here, the 16-character digit, the letter. Then you need to press this over here, paste, or you write this out. Then we just need to redeem. After you redeem this gift card you buy on this platform, then you find this gift card over here like this. The USD is going to show over here. Then you just need to come over to this P2P. Let me press $20. I'm pressing buy. I just want to know how much. Buy with crypto. I want to know how much they are selling USDT right now. As you can see, the USDT is 769 naira now. Remember, we bought $5 worth of USDT for us to test this process, maybe it's working or not. Mind you, I was unable to verify the phone number, so you can try this to verify the phone number, then use $5 for you to test this process, maybe it's working or not. Then after doing this, you bought this at 460 something dollar per each dollar. That's the rate you bought this on that platform. Then you come to this platform to sell this at 749. Let me go to this calculator. 749 times 5, that's 3,007. Remember, you need to pay 2,661 naira minus 2,661. So you'll be making a profit of 1,084 cents, 84 naira. So that's how much you will be making on 2,661 naira you bought. Then you'll be making 1,080 naira. If this is possible for you to do, then make sure you do your own research. And if I was able to verify if my phone number, I'm not having problem with this, you should have known what you need to know. But with this, you can just use $5 to test this transaction before you take any step. And I just try to give you guys information, then try to do your own research. And thank you for your time on this video, and let me know what you think about this video at the comment section.